Alright, so today we've got the Classic Cosmopolitan. We're going to start off with the mixing shaker. Pop the top off. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka. We're going to do 0.5 ounces triple sec. We're also going to do 0.5 ounces of lime juice, fresh if you have it. Maybe a little less, so it's not overpowering. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. Today I've got cranberry cherry juice, so use what you got. Gonna add ice to the shaker. Pop top on. Give it a shake. Gonna get cold real fast. You're listening for like a slushy sound. That's how you know the ice is diluted enough. Give it a nice little love tap to get that top off maybe. There we go. Gonna use this strainer. Grab the wine glass. Strain. Set aside. And then we're gonna flame in orange. Need the lighter to flame though. Alright, so you're gonna cut off a little bit of a orange rind. Pop that in. There you go, your Cosmopolitan. That's good. You get the orange right on the nose. Vodka's not too much. Cranberry juice is just right. You're looking for about a pink color right there, if you can see that. That's how you know you've done about the right amount of cranberry juice. Shouldn't be the same color as the cranberry juice, and that's how you know you put too much. That's good.